Hello, everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. Today, I'm going to walk you through quite literally the easiest and simplest way to sign up for Binance. Now, as most of you probably know, Binance is the world's largest crypto exchange, and getting started the right way is key. Before we dive in, here is a little tip to save you some serious money. Go ahead and click the link located right below this video. That link will take you directly to the official Binance signup screen. By using that specific link, you're going to get a 50% fee payback and a $600 rewards. First, we need to create your account. Once you've clicked that link below, you'll see the Binance signup page. Now, you have a couple of options here. You can proceed using either your email address or your phone number. Just choose whichever one you're most comfortable with. Go ahead and enter your email now. Once that's done, make sure to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Take a second to look those over if you'd like, and then simply click Continue at the bottom. Now pause for a moment and check your inbox or your messages. Binance will send you a 6-digit verification code. Once it arrives, just type it right into the box on your screen. After that, it's time to set your password. Now pay close attention here. For security, your password must be at least 8 characters long, include at least one number and at least one uppercase letter. If you see an inviter code screen, just double check that the code is entered there before you finish up. Great, your account is officially created, but we aren't done quite yet. Next, we have to handle the KYC or Know Your Customer identity verification. This is a standard security step, and you actually must complete this to deposit, withdraw, or trade any funds on the platform. Since this part requires a face scan, I highly recommend switching over to your mobile phone right now. Go to your app store, install the Binance app, and log in with those credentials we just created. The app should take you right to the verification screen automatically. First, confirm your nationality. Then you'll need to choose which ID you want to use. You can use an ID card, a driver's license, or a passport. Honestly, they usually process everything within about 5 minutes, regardless of which one you pick. So just go with whatever is closest to you. Select Take Pictures as your method and hit Continue. Just make sure you take a clear photo of the front and back of the ID, keeping it right inside that camera frame. Finally, for the face scan, just align your face within the oval on your screen and follow the little prompts like nodding or blinking. Once that's done, just fill in your basic info like your address and occupation, and you're all set. You can check your profile in a few minutes to see that verified badge. Now, let's talk security. We want to make sure your crypto is safe. Let's head back to your PC screen for a moment. On the left-hand menu, click on Account and then select Security. Look for the Authenticator app section and click Manage. Go ahead and click Enable Authenticator app. You'll get one more verification code sent to your email or phone just to prove it's you. Enter that, and you'll see a QR code pop up. Just leave that sitting there for a second. Now, grab your phone again and download the Google Authenticator app. Once it's installed, open it up, hit Get Started, and for the easiest setup, just click Use Without Signing In. Tap that Add a Code button in the middle and select Scan a QR code. Now just point your phone camera at that QR code on your PC. You'll see a 6-digit Binance OTP code generated on your phone that changes every 30 seconds. Go back to your computer, hit Next, and type in the 6-digit code currently showing on your phone. Click Submit, and that's it. Your account is now protected by two-factor authentication. And there you have it. That concludes our tutorial. If you found this walkthrough helpful today, please do me a huge favor and leave a like on the video.